I went to my factory. Who knows this part? Yes, it's same part from last year. Finally I made it. It's finished and ready for use. So lot to do, lot of work is done. Now it's operating as it should to do, and left over remove this piece of pipe. So part is assembled and ready for use. So in this hub I installed repair bushing, then I weld in, then on this part, what is a shaft or kind of shaft, I installed repair bushing or repair sleeve on it, machined it by this lathe, and then I machined this part inside bore, go to another city, remachined, there was 2 keyways, remachined those ones, installed bronze bushings right here and here. Also here is a bronze ring. This is spar one actually, and here is a spacer ring. Now it's good for now. Also I made a new cylinder ram or cylinder, I don't know how it's right calling it, cylinder ram or cylinder rod, because old one was damaged. This fine surface on this is scratched, so I made a new part, what is right here, because original I cut in pieces by gas oxygen torch. Why I do that? Just because I can't remove that bolt what was here, and I just for disassembling cut it and remove that cylinder. So I think today customer will arrive and get his part. So anything is screwed in, anything left over to how called in English, those parts when you set for greasing, greasing nipples for here and for here. Yeah. So job is done. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.